తల్లిదండ్రులు ఆశలన్నీ పిల్లల మీదే పెట్టుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళు డిగ్రీ చదవగానే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీలో ఉద్యోగం వస్తే అందరికీ గొప్పగా చెప్పుకుంటారు. క్వాలిటీ థాట్ మీరు కలలుగన్న భవిష్యత్తుని మీ పిల్లలకు బహుమతిగా ఇస్తుంది. ప్రాపర్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ ఇస్తుంది. బెస్ట్ ఎంఎన్సీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ వచ్చేంత వరకు వారికి తోడుగా నిలబడుతుంది. గత 12 ఏళ్లుగా ఎంతో మంది తల్లిదండ్రుల స్వప్నాలను సాకారం చేసింది క్వాలిటీ థాట్. క్వాలిటీ థాట్, ద లీడర్ ఇన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ట్రైనింగ్.
Welcome to ITTV Global Media, the voice of software engineers, and today I am sitting next to a Scrum Master. No, the Scrum Master's counselor actually, and at Quality Thought on the 3rd floor, Aditya Enclave. So ma'am, what's your name?
I'm Uma.
Uma. And Uma, I think you've been counseling for Scrum Master since long?
Yes, since 1 year.
Since 1 year. How has your journey been?
Really good, and I'm very much happy with this role. Feeling happy.
Great. And I can see that, as there are a lot of misconceptions about the Scrum Master. People just feel that Scrum Master is knowing only Jira tool and running your life. Is that right?
No. Scrum Master actually is a management role in IT industry. Scrum Master plays a very key role. Frankly, it is a very sensitive role also in IT industries in the projects. So Scrum Masters are equivalent to management role. So not only Jira, they should know many things about the Scrum roles. What is the Scrum? What is this manifesto? What is Agile? What is Zero? What is Kanban? What is Safe? Many things they should have knowledge on this. Of course, they will work on Zero tool, or of course, Scrum is actually a subset of Agile methodology. Scrum adopted Agile methodology. Okay, so Scrum, being a Scrum Master, first of all, Scrum Master should have the knowledge about Agile. Nowadays, all the companies, 99% of the IT industries are following Agile methodology rather than the traditional model called waterfall model. Now they are following Agile, and Scrum is the subset of Agile. Being a Scrum Master should have good knowledge about Agile because they are the bridge between the development team and to the project managers and to the product owner, indirectly to the clients also. So to become a Scrum Master, the first criteria is very good communication skills need and some management roles need. So they can upgrade their skills and they can become Scrum Masters.
Wow. I have a question regarding the Scrum Master. Is it okay if I just put this laptop down, if you don't mind? I hope. Okay, not a problem. So I'm asking about this Scrum Master right now because, as you said, there is something called as a water flow methodology before, and now we have Agile methodology. Now this Agile methodology came because of some requirement, or it just came because there is a new version?
It's not like that. To give a very good output or a very good fruitful result to the client in less time, then they are following Agile methodology. This which has not happened in waterfall model. So this Agile came into picture in 2009-10 onwards. Some legendaries has prepared this manifesto, so they can follow this and they can give very fruitful result where client will come to know what is happening in the project by following this Agile methodology.
Okay. Since how long Quality Thought is serving Scrum Master course?
So more than 3 years. Before pandemic onwards, we started providing this Scrum Master training, and our placement track record is more than 70%.
Wow. So many of your
Packages.
What's the package with?
Minimum, of course, industries are looking for average, minimum experience need 3 to 8 years. So with 3 years experience, packages starts from 15 lakhs per annum onwards. It could be more, but not less than that.
Guys, did you hear that? 15 lakhs per annum.
Students who cracked the interview with 24 lakhs per annum, one got with 27 lakhs per annum, one got with 22 lakhs per annum. So with our training, they are very much happy. They are sustaining in that job for long period onwards.
You are a walking, talking Lakshmi.
Sorry?
Okay, so as you said, the 24 lakhs, 20 lakhs, it's kind of a dream. But as you are into Scrum Master, like you really want to join, right? I think you need to know, ma'am, will you please tell me how to reach you?
See, we available at Quality Thought through our numbers, through our website, through our video channels in YouTube and in ITTV channel also. You can see our our videos and you can approach us. Our toll-free numbers also available. So get into this, and we keep on conducting some Scrum Master workshops. So people can get awareness what is Scrum and what Scrum Master roles and responsibilities in industry. So we'll conduct some workshops, so people are approaching in this way. You too can After this interview, you will get our numbers. You can call us at any time.
Wow. And I have one question now. As you spoke about
When you are saying and you keep on putting me questions.
what to do, ma'am. When you said 24 lakhs per annum, our viewers are a little shocked.
Yes, because industries are providing the candidate who is having that kind of knowledge, who are eligible for that position, obviously they can expect this much salary. Companies are giving that salaries.
What's the eligibility?
The first eligibility criteria is any degree with good communication skills. As I said, they are the bridge between the project development team and management team and to the project managers and to the clients. First of all, good communication need and then some management skills. And the third one, anyhow, agile methodology and Scrum knowledge, we are giving them a practical training here. Not just theoretical knowledge, we provide a practical training. Ours is a 400 hours training we provide to the candidate. Training, practice, practicals, internship, a role play, including PSM1 certification. Ours is a 45 days course duration, per day 8 hours. Not just one faculty, a group of faculties will provide this training in our institute. And it is a company environment training, not like a classroom environment or else any institute environment training. This is completely company environment training, a corporate training we are providing them. So this much of training, obviously people can crack the interviews. Not only crack, they can sustain in that role for long period.
Man, you have, I'm surprised. At the same time, I'm impressed by the way you have
Like to
explained.
join Scrum Master course?
Would you like to join some Scrum Master course? Okay.
Become a Scrum Master.
You want to become a Scrum Master? I think I want to become. I'll definitely contact you. Guys, do get in touch with her. She is definitely doing an awesome job. I've never heard someone explaining Scrum Master to me this clearly. And ma'am, will you please tell your followers to like, subscribe and share?
Sorry?
Ask them to like, subscribe and share.
Yes, please subscribe our channel and share your comments. If you want to contact us, my name is Uma. My number is 9908037679. If you want, you can remove this.
Thank you. I'll definitely give a call. Thank you, ma'am. Happy New Year, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry. Very happy New Year to upcoming batches. Upcoming enrollments, upcoming students. I wish you all the happiness and prospects to your next level of your career.
Upcoming. Are you guys the upcoming ones? She's actually telling you happy.
To make your career in IT, that too into management roles, Scrum Master is the bridge for you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It has been a pleasure.
Yusuf ji.
Thank you.